Alright, so today we're headed over to my buddy's house, and we're gonna try out some new chain we just got. There's a wasp in my truck. Hold on a minute. Whew, I think I got him. Jesus Christ. Anyway, so we're headed over to my buddy's house and we're gonna test out some new chain that we just got from Hipa. We're gonna also use the still that we put the Hipa motor on. Oh my God, there's the wasp again. Get out of my truck. Ooh. I'll get back with you when we get there. Made it over here finally. Got the saw up on the bench. I got an Oregon, what is that called? Advanced cut on there now. But this is the 290 we put the Hipa kit in. But we're gonna put their chain on there and see how it goes. I don't even think this saw's broke in yet, so we'll run a tank through it today. This chain kind of reminds me of a Carlton chain. Pretty nice looking chain. You see they got Hipa stamped right on it. But out of the box, that's a nice looking sharpening. We'll see how it cuts. It's like 90 freaking degrees outside. We're getting ready to go cut. Got the 290 with the Hipa cylinder and piston and rings and seals. And we got the Hipa chain thrown on it. I don't even think the saw's broke in yet, but we're gonna find out. Had a hard time getting it started a minute ago. Had it hanging by the handle and it flooded the cylinder out while it was hanging there in my hot building. But now, I mean, one pull and it starts. Runs pretty good. We got Bub bringing the track over so that way we can hold the logs up and do a real test on this thing where we ain't getting into the dirt. We're going to start with some small pieces just because I don't think the saw's broke in yet. We're going to try to run a tank of gas through this thing though. Run it like it's broke in, might as well. Alright. Fucking cut pretty good. He's gonna grab me a couple of logs real quick and we're gonna test this saw out. out of tune. I think it's finally breaking in. Got this all shut down right now. I'm gonna let it cool down for a second because it ain't all the way broke in. But he's gonna get me something a little bit bigger so I can put it to the test a little better, try to get her tuned in a little more. It's it was running real rich all of a sudden. I think it's finally starting to break in, but we'll find out here in a minute. Might have to tune it a little bit more on this big wood, but we'll see what happens. He's getting me some right now.